Hello everyone, this is part two. My name is Sharif. Welcome to my channel. It's the 7th of March, and this is the second part for analyzing the ASX index and its sectors. Last one we stopped at was the consumer staples. Now we are going to continue with the ASX 200 utilities, and we will start with the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is quite bearish, as we can see, and we look at the weekly time frame, still bearish, nothing. Now on the daily time frame, after this bearishness, we have some sort of small consolidation here. For me, this consolidation is shows nothing. It is still bearish, the overall bearish. In order for it to say that there is some bullishness on the daily time frame, we need to have a break above this congestion here in order to say that it is bullish. So far, it is bearish for me, and it's just consolidating in this very strong bearish trend, daily, weekly, and monthly. Now we look at the next one, the real estate sector, and we look at the monthly time frame first. As we can see here, the monthly time frame, there is an upward channel. It is well respected, this upward channel. And we look at the weekly time frame, very bullish, did respect it a lot. We have a triple candle formation here, strong sign, and respect to the lower boundary. We look at the daily time frame now. We see here, let's draw, maybe if we draw something here or even here, as close as possible to the lower boundary, and we had a breakout. It is definitely a bullish trend at the moment for this sector, bullish and fresh as well, just starting, bullish and fresh. So expect more bullishness in the long term. We look at the weekly again. So this is a real estate sector. We respected the lower boundary here very clearly, and now we may target. Now the next target might be here at this previous resistance level, somewhere at 3437 or so. So expect it to be bullish. This will not happen over the night, but this is a daily time frame, and we were looking at the weekly and monthly upward channel. So it will definitely take some time. Like it took 3 months in order to go to this lower boundary. However, it took 1 month only to go to the upper boundary. So give it maybe 3 months, 2 months, or something like that before we go to this level 3439 or so, unless we see some bearishness in weekly or daily, which I really doubt at the moment. We will wait and see. So far, it is bullish for me. The signs that I have so far, we just analyze them based on what we see. That's all. So based on the weekly, monthly, upward channel, daily respected the lower boundary, and the signal is fresh as well. Okay, so that was the real estate one. We look at the next one, the healthcare one. The healthcare is very bearish sector at the moment, very strong bearish sector. And we look at the next possible support level, and that is at 3384. So we look at the weekly time frame, very bearish. We look at the daily time frame, very bearish as well, very bearish sector. Okay, so that was the healthcare one. We go to the next one, which is the bank sector. Bank sector is very bullish. Here it's clear. However, we can say that there is some sort of minor resistance here, and those are the previous highs here, which are definitely a strong monthly resistance, not far from the first minor resistance. We look at the weekly time frame, bullish. Look at the daily time frame, very bullish. However, I will be cautious when it reaches this level here. So we still have some bullishness. We haven't touched this level yet, nor the major one here at 2629, and this minor one is at 2579. Now it is at 2533, so still some points to gain. It is definitely bullish so far. However, when it touches this level, start to uh, maybe look at, if you have bought some of the shares of this sector, maybe you would consider not closing all your positions, maybe scaling out a bit, and be wary. If it goes above this level, that's fine then. But at this level, I do expect some corrections at this monthly resistance. As you can see, that was the previous high before in September 2019. So when still bit of room, even this resistance here is minor one. I'll just be wary a little bit. It's just a minor one, but then this one would be a significant, important one because this was the previous highs. Okay, so that was all for all the sectors. That was part two. Please check part one as well if you haven't, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much and have a good week ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.